Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to insert SIM card in our Samsung Galaxy S22. First of all, we are going to need this little metal pin, pin key. So, at the bottom we have we have our SIM card slot. So we need to insert pin key in this hole, push, and now our tray has been removed. Then we have our SIM1. Here is our SIM2. This is a dual SIM card phone, and we need to insert our card. Look out for this little shape. It's cut in one corner, so we cannot put it in the other way. And we then insert it back right here. Remember to push it all the way in, and now our phone should be functional. And here it is. Yes, done. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.